Hey, what's up, guys? So I wanted to do a quick video. I just picked up this Sears Craftsman 10-inch direct drive bandsaw in a estate sale. I got it really cheap, and I was really excited to get home, clean it up, and plug it in, see if it was working. And so I get it here, and as you guys can see, and I know that a lot of Craftsman products use this, there's a yellow plug that plugs in right here. That's the safety key, and it allows you to power up the unit. And so I started looking on eBay. I started looking everywhere for one. Could not find one, without it costing 10 bucks, and I really wanted to find a cheaper way to do it. So instead, I took a plug cover that you use in electrical sockets for children, and I just clipped all around the edges. And you have to do this because depending on how beveled it is, it won't work. And took a knife and just really cut down to narrow in those little pegs. And sure enough, if you just give it a, kind of wiggle it a little bit, it'll plug right into that spot, and works perfect. And it'll just power right up. So you guys definitely check. If you have one of these, you lose that yellow cap. There's your answer. Good luck, guys.